Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rashmi and welcome back. So today we are going to learn about chapter 2nd, that is biological classification. This is also an important chapter with respect to the Neet. Aristotle was one to attempt the earliest scientific basis for classification. He used simple morphological characters to classify plants into trees, shrubs, herbs, and animals were divided into two types, that is animal having red bloods and animal not having red blood. Then came the two kingdom classification. Liechtenstein, the kingdom system of the classification with plants and animals, that is Plantae and Animalia kingdoms were developed. This system did not distinguish about the eukaryotic or prokaryotic or unicellular and multicellular organisms, photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic. Classification of the plants and animals was easily done, but large number of organisms did not fall in either category. This two kingdom classification was found inadequate. Then came the five kingdom classification. R.H. Whittaker in 1969 proposed five kingdom classification. Those were: first was the kingdom Monera, then kingdom Protista, followed by kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and the last was kingdom Animalia. Let us discuss about the criteria for classification. Cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, and phylogenetic relationship. All these were considered. Earlier classification system included bacteria, blue-green algae, fungi, mosses, ferns, gymnosperms, and also angiosperms. On the presence of the cell wall or their cell placed together groups which widely differed in other characters. Let us discuss about the very first kingdom, that is Monera. The key characters of grouping of this kingdom Monera are: bacteria is the sole member of this kingdom. Many of them live in on or other organisms as a parasite or in extreme conditions. These are grouped under four categories. The spherical one is known as coccus, the rod-shaped bacilli, the comma-shaped vibrium or vibrio, and the spiral-shaped is known as spirillum or spirilla. Though the bacteria is simple in structure but complex in behavior. Example, some bacteria synthesizes their own food whereas some are heterotrophs. Archibacteria, their bacteria are simple since they live in some of the most harsh habitats such as extreme salt areas. They have different cell walls structure than other bacteria. Methanogens present in the gut of several ruminant animals are responsible for production of methane. There are thousands of eubacteria or true bacteria characterized by presence of cell wall and, if motile, a flagellum. The cyanobacteria have chlorophyll and are photosynthetic autotrophs. They often bloom in polluted water bodies, while some of this fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Heterotrophic bacteria most abundant in the nature. They are important decomposers and helpful in making curd from milk. Production of antibiotics, fixing the nitrogen in leguminous roots, etc. Mycoplasma are organisms that are living cells known and can survive without oxygen. This was it for today's video. The next four kingdoms will be explained in the next video. Thank you. Also, let me remind you, the first unit is very important, so keep studying until I come up with the next video.